Shiba Inu CEO's last warning to all hodlers. Shib news today. The cryptocurrency market has begun to thaw after a deep freeze throughout 2022. The combined value of all cryptocurrencies rose 27.5% in 2023, which is a better return than all US stock market indexes. But meme token Shiba Inu has climbed more than double that, with a year-to-date gain of 57%. That pales compared to its history-making 2021 return of 43,800,000%, which made millionaires out of investors for just a few dollars if they timed the run perfectly. With renewed optimism creeping into the crypto sector this year, Shiba Inu enthusiasts might wonder if history is set to repeat itself. In this video, we will talk about Shiba Inu CEO's last warning to all hodlers. Shib news today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. The Shiba Inu ecosystem is plagued with challenges, with the sheer lack of adoption among the most significant, making the token a mere vehicle for speculation. The cryptocurrency that fluctuates significantly in value isn't attractive to businesses because it makes managing cash flow impossible. And from an individual investor's perspective, nobody wants to hold a currency that could collapse in value at any time. The proof is in the pudding. Just 723 merchants accept Shiba Inu as payment for goods and services. The community is banding together to solve that issue. Enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting the release of Shibarium, a Layer 2 blockchain solution that will shrink transaction costs and make the process more efficient. Logic suggests this upgrade will make Shiba Inu more attractive as a currency, but it doesn't necessarily solve its susceptibility to price swings, so only time will tell. Developers are also combining new uses, including an upcoming virtual world. Users can buy plots of virtual land using Ethereum tokens and then rename those plots by paying a fee in Shiba Inu. The community has come together to create fun ways to participate too. Enthusiasts can use the internet search engine Shiba Search, which uses some of its advertising revenue to buy Shiba Inu tokens and burn them. Similarly, Shiba BurnTube is a channel on Alphabet's YouTube video platform that also earmarks advertising revenue for token burning. All else equal, shrinking the supply to 7.5 billion tokens would theoretically result in a price of $1, based on Shiba Inu's current value of $7.5 billion. That's a 99.9998% reduction, so it would take the participation of almost every single holder to make it happen. Even if everybody burned 99.9998% of their tokens and pushed the price to $1, they would have fewer tokens worth more money per token. The dollar value of their holdings would remain exactly the same, making the exercise futile. There's only one true method to make Shiba Inu more valuable for investors, and that's by creating new uses that drive widespread adoption. Unfortunately, that's unlikely to happen if history is any guide. The much-anticipated beta version of Shibarium is all set to be released and has triggered a huge interest in the Shib token among investors. Shibarium is a blockchain or Layer 2 solution proposed by Ryoshi, the creator of Shiba Inu. According to reports, Shib would migrate to L2 after the launch. In a now-deleted blog post, the Shib creator stated, "On February 14th, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, Satoshi Kusama, announced that the Shibarium project was ready for launch." In the announcement, Kusama disclosed that his lead developer has sadly lost his father and expressed his disappointment in the lack of respect shown to him. According to him, the community should allow him to mourn his father in peace and then join the launch of Shibarium. He plans to publish a Medium article to introduce the project to the world. Members of the ecosystem predicted that Shibarium would be launched on Valentine's Day. However, others also expressed concerns about the team's use of the word soon rather than being specific on an actual date. In response, Kusama stated, "You want an exact date? No, I don't have one because the release won't be an on-off switch." Speaking on the situation surrounding the release, Kusama mentions that a coordinated FUD campaign has targeted him. However, he claims to overcome it and not reveal any evidence as he knows who is behind it. According to him, there will be no chance for anyone to destroy what has been built in the community's name. A community to discuss the project has also been created and is available for all to join. This announcement is expected to considerably affect the price as whales reportedly keep adding up to their portfolio. In July 2022, someone bought about 150 billion shibs in response to the Shibarium announcement. Blue Whale 0159 bought 150 billion shib at a total cost of $1,750,500 on the 22nd of July at exactly 5:31:50 UTC, Whalestat reports. A noticeable thing is the little transaction fee of $1 for the shib worth over $1,700,000 the whale purchased. As a fact, the wallet of Blue Whale 0159 is ranked number 315 ETH holding globally. The Shib token is very popular among Ethereum whales, with some purchasing 4 trillion SHIB at $134 million in December 2021. In January 2022, another Ethereum whale purchased 500 billion SHIB at a total cost of $10.2 million. Shiba Inu is currently trading at $0.000013 and has reacted to the news with a 4% increase in the last 24 hours. The current SHIB sentiment is bullish and expected to surge even more. The possibility of the price hitting $0.01 is high in the long term. Shiba Inu's appearance in the metaverse world, termed Shibaverse, could pump the trading prices. The Shiba Inu price holds a value of $0.000013 with a trading volume of $561,822,164. The Shiba Inu developers created shibaswap, a decentralized exchange that competes with well-known brands like Uniswap and Curve Finance to take advantage of the hype. Shibaswap amassed almost $1 billion in total assets locked within 24 hours of its start. This reinforced Shib's status as more than simply a meme coin. When Shopping.io revealed a collaboration with Shiba Inu, it received yet another significant boost. Because of the collaboration, customers could now use Shib as a payment method on eBay, Walmart, and Amazon. The implementation of Shibarium by Shiba Inu will influence the coin to meet $10 by 2024, so for the same reason, it'll be a promising year for Shiba Inu in 2024. Shibarium, the Layer 2 protocol for the Shiba Inu platform, is developing as expected. With this upgrade, users can transfer assets for a lesser gas price, making it simpler to complete small transactions through dApps powered by Shiba Inu. To improve the platform's user interface and user experience, the team has also added developers. Like many other cryptocurrencies, the value of Shiba Inu is highly correlated with Bitcoin's performance. The most valuable digital asset significantly influences Shiba Inu's price fluctuations. For instance, over the past 30 days, the SHIB and BTC have a connection of 85%. The popularity of the Shiba Inu coin is for varied reasons. Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla, once tweeted that he wanted to have a Shiba puppy. This stoked the cryptocurrency market and caused its value to increase by 300%. After Vitalik Buterin, the creator of the Ethereum blockchain network, contributed Shiba Inu coins worth 50 trillion to the India COVID Relief Fund, which was established by an Indian cryptocurrency businessman named Sandeep Naiwal, their prices dropped by as much as 40%. Shib is a peer-to-peer P2P virtual currency that allows users to make and receive decentralized payments much like Doge. Compared to Doge's 10-minute duration, Shiba Inu's rapid block time is only 1 minute. A decentralized cryptocurrency exchange is where Shiba Inu coins can be exchanged. The company has no single failure point because decentralized Bitcoin exchanges do not depend on centralized power. Moreover, decentralized exchanges are frequently more resistant to fraud and cyber attacks. It's not surprising that many investors are looking for strategies to secure their SHIB investments, given the recent boom in popularity. Any cryptocurrency investor requires a wallet, but there are many to pick from, and it can be difficult to find the right one for your needs. The web browser plugin MetaMask also has a mobile app available for iOS and Android users. Due to its integration with various decentralized applications, it is a well-liked option for investors who want to engage with the DeFi ecosystem. MetaMask is a fantastic option for novices because of its user-friendly UI. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content. Don't forget,
whales cannot be stopped. Trillions of Shiba Inu tokens, hundreds of millions of dollars. And the data suggests that this is just the beginning. People are waking up seeing these numbers, trying to benefit from this opportunity. But what is actually happening? And how long will this market craze last? Well, let's find out. Disclaimer: the market has pivoted to a recovery phase, but some altcoins still haven't reclaimed their yearly highs despite Bitcoin spiking above the $71,000 threshold. Shiba Inu is also part of this recovery trend, but is facing strong resistance due to multiple sell walls. A sell wall occurs when a large number of sell orders are placed at a particular price level, creating a barrier that can be difficult for the price to rise above. For example, imagine there are 100 Shiba Inu tokens available for sale at 1 penny. If buyers only want to purchase 50 tokens at that price, the supply at that level is much higher than that demand, making it hard for the market to buy the tokens that are available at that price to move up past 1 penny. However, there is a way we can surpass these sell walls and achieve new highs for Shiba Inu. But before we dive into that, we need to take a look at what's happening with Bitcoin. Today has been a literally crazy day for Bitcoin, and its impact on Shiba Inu is enormous. Spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds, or ETFs, have achieved their longest streak of consecutive net inflows since they launched, with 18 straight days of positive flows as of Thursday. Since launching in January 2021, the price of Shiba Inu has increased by $1.2 billion, and even though the current inflows are still lower than the peak levels in March, according to the block's data dashboard, the sustained positive net inflows, especially driven by BlackRock, highlight continued strong interest and confidence in Bitcoin among investors. 18 days in a row of positive inflows definitely gives us a bullish sign. It shows that more investors are putting their money into crypto, which is some very good news for any crypto enthusiast. But traditional investors aren't the only ones accumulating Bitcoin. Just take a look at this crypto whale. According to a report by Wu Blockchain based on research from CryptoQuant, around $1 billion worth of Bitcoin is being added every day to a massive new whale wallet. In total, long-term holders have amassed 70 Bitcoin over the last 30 days, with whale demand increasing at a rate of 4.4% per month. And now you might be wondering if 4.4 is a big number. It definitely is. To put it in perspective, if you start with $10,000 and add 4.4% every month in 5 years, you'd have a lot more than you might expect after 5 years. That 10,000 would grow to around $87,000. This shows how powerful a 4.4% monthly increase can be over time, highlighting the significant impact of the current whale demand on Bitcoin's market. But in addition to that, just today, according to CoinGlass data, Bitcoin open interest has reached a new all-time high peak of $37 billion open. Interest refers to the total dollar amount of Bitcoin in the last 5 years, which is about a third of the total dollar amount of outstanding Bitcoin futures or options contracts. And you might be wondering, is this metric important? Absolutely. Open interest is a crucial indicator of market sentiment and activity in the futures and options markets. A high level of open interest suggests that there is significant trading activity and interest in Bitcoin derivatives, indicating a strong and active market. So while some may have thought that the crypto market is flat and boring right now, it actually isn't. The record-breaking open interest is a significant indicator of the market, and Bitcoin futures and options demonstrates that there is still plenty of excitement and activity happening in the crypto space. But here's something very interesting. Despite the strong inflows and a Bitcoin rally past 71,000, Google Trends data reveals a surprising trend. Compared to 2021, hardly any Americans are conducting searches related to Bitcoin, FSITs, price, or crypto in general. Google Trends assigns a value out of 100 based on a search interest relative peak popularity. For example, on June 5, searches for Bitcoin originating from the US scored only 31, while Bitcoin ETF had a mere one. Other related searches such as Bitcoin price and crypto received slightly higher index scores of 18 and 13 respectively, but still remained significantly below the search volumes during 2021's retail-driven bull run. Interest in crypto-related searches has dwindled over the year. There were spikes in interest across the board. On January 11th, the price of Bitcoin has been rising for the past year, and the price of fiat Bitcoin has been all-time high for the first time since 2021. It's noteworthy that search interest for Bitcoin peaked in May 2021, a few weeks after surpassing 50,000 for the first time and just before reaching its long-standing all-time high of nearly 69,000 in November 2021. Crypto analyst Miles Dutcher shared data indicating a significant decline in viewership of crypto-related YouTube channels compared to 2021, despite Bitcoin surpassing its previous all-time high in 2021. During Bitcoin's peak, crypto YouTube channels were garnering around 4 million daily views. However, in 2024, despite Bitcoin reaching new highs, daily views have dropped to approximately 800,000. Dutcher emphasized, retail isn't back yet. According to him, there's no better indicator of the current state of the market than crypto YouTube views. This decline in viewership suggests that mainstream retail interest in cryptocurrency has not returned to the level seen during the 2021 bull run, despite Bitcoin's price reaching new heights. But still, with 18 days of Bitcoin ETF inflows and massive whale accumulation, you might wonder, why hasn't the price skyrocketed yet? Where's the impact of these developments? Well, that's a good question. Analyst Jimmy sheds some light on this. He explains that spot Bitcoin ETFs worldwide hold only about 5% of the total Bitcoin circulating supply, while the majority is held by whales. Jimmy notes that while ETF inflows are indeed significant, they are still minimal compared to the volume of Bitcoin being traded and sold by these large holders. He emphasizes that for every buyer in the market, there needs to be a seller, and the actions of these major players can heavily influence price movements. Even though the price might not react immediately, the recent developments such as 18 consecutive days of inflows into Bitcoin, ETFs, and whales accumulating Bitcoin are still considered bullish. This is because these actions demonstrate a growing interest and confidence in Bitcoin as an asset class among both institutional investors and individual traders. While the price might not reflect these developments right away due to various factors influencing the market, such as short-term speculation and profit-taking, the underlying trend indicates a strengthening foundation for Bitcoin's long-term growth. Essentially, these actions lay the groundwork for future price increases. In the long term, the price of Bitcoin is expected to rise to $1.5 billion, which is a significant increase in the market's day-to-day fluctuations. But what about Shiba Inu? Well, if Bitcoin experiences a significant price increase due to recent developments, it will have a massive impact on Shiba Inu. We know that Shiba Inu is highly sensitive to Bitcoin movements and shares a strong correlation with it. Currently, Shiba Inu faces a major obstacle in the form of a massive sell wall, according to Into the Block data. This wall represents a threshold. We're over the top. Over 64,000 addresses collectively hold 69 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, which is over 10% of the entire supply. The selling pressure from these addresses often leads to corrections in Shiba Inu's price, as we've seen in recent movements. As a result, Shiba Inu has retraced most of the gains it made during the recent rally. This situation can be frustrating for Shiba Inu investors. as the presence of such a large sell wall can impede its upward momentum. However, Shiba Inu is now aiming to sell Shiba Inu, stabilize above its current price level, and use it as a foundation for a second upward push when bullish sentiment returns. To surpass this immediate sell wall, Shiba Inu would need to confidently close above 4027. But with the potential upcoming push in Bitcoin's price, according to previous patterns, this should significantly benefit Shiba Inu. This is precisely what we need for Shiba Inu to overcome its current challenges and resume its upward trajectory. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps